Giant Desert Hairy Scorpion by Tom Farley.
The giant desert hairy scorpion is roughly 6 inches long. They have brown bodies with yellowish pinchers and legs. They have brown hairs that cover their body. They produce 25 to 35 offspring and live for about 25 years. Giant desert hairy scorpions are located throughout the Sonora and Mojave deserts. It is found in Arizona, Colorado Desert, Southern California, Southern Nevada, and Southern Utah. The first scorpions are believed to evolve 425 to 450 million years ago from the Eurypterida, or water scorpions, in the Silurian epoch. The first scorpions were most likely to be marine until 300 million years ago when they became terrestrial. They became terrestrial after many of the prey species they fed on began to move to land. Like most arthropods, early species were quite large. The largest fossil ever recorded was about 3 feet in length. Many people argue whether scorpions are really arachnids. Most experts agree that they are an ancestral stem group of the arachnida, while others disagree and insist that they are one of the few remaining members of the class Merostomata. For now it is accepted that they are a group within the arachnida. The body of a scorpion is divided into two main sections called the prosoma and the opistoma. The prosoma is the anterior section, covered dorsally by a scleratized plate called the carapace. They have from 0 to 10 eyes. The giant scorpion has 2 front eyes and 5 lateral eyes. The prosomal appendages are the chelicerae, which act as jaws. There are also the pedipalps, which consist of 6 segments. There are also 4 pairs of walking legs, which each consist of 7 segments. The opistoma is divided into the anterior mesosoma and the tail, called the metasoma. A scleratized plate, called the tergum, covers each mesosomal segment dorsally, while the genital orbicula is on the ventral side of the first segment. The second segment contains the pectins, which are comb-like sensory organs, while the sterna is segments 3 through 7, which are where the buck lungs are found. The metasoma or tail has 5 segments, plus the distal end or stinger. The telson consists of a round vesicle which contains the venom gland. Dorsally, the metasoma has ridges and keels. The 5th segment is always the longest, containing sensory bristles.
The pectins are located on the ventral side of the second mesosoma and are comb-like organs which are specific to scorpions. Their full use is still unclear, but they are thought to detect vibrations and also act as chemoreceptors.
Scorpions have an open circulatory system in which the heart pumps blood from one side to the other. They have a ventral nerve chain which connects to the cephalothoracic ganglion. They have a dorsal blood vessel. The digestion system begins with a small mouth located under the chelicerae. The small size causes food to need to be digested in liquid form, so scorpions secrete enzymes onto their prey and suck in the digested tissue. Waste is excreted through the malphigian tubules in the anus. Males have a pair of hemispermatophores that fuse to form a sperm-carrying spermatophore, which is used for indirect insemination. Females have an inner lumen, which exits the body through genital aperture. Fertilization is internal.
The giant scorpion is typically an ambush predator and waits for things to walk by its burrow or rock and pounces on it. It typically feeds on small insects or other invertebrates, and sometimes small vertebrates like snakes, lizards, or rodents. Here is a video of a giant desert hairy scorpion capturing a cricket. Scorpions are preyed upon by birds, bats, small mammals, large spiders, centipedes, and lizards, and also by humans.
Here's a video of a man eating a lot of scorpions.
Scorpions detect prey by sensing nearby vibrations in the ground by using their pectins, which are comb-like organs located on the ventral side of the second mesosoma. These pectins also act as chemoreceptors, detecting pheromones from other scorpions. Male and female scorpions locate each other using specific pheromones and detecting vibrations in the ground. They then lock onto each other's pedipalps and perform what is called the dance. This is the male trying to find a suitable place to deposit his spermatophore. Depending on how fast he can find a place, this can take up to 1 to 25 hours. After mating is complete, the male retreats quickly to avoid being cannibalized by the female. When the young are born, they stay with the mother until the first molt, riding on her back. Here is a video of two scorpions mating.
My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me baby, I don't wanna hurt nobody, but there is something that I must confess.
அது என்ன
The end.